Hey second graders, this is Miss Johnson. I'm really excited to do another math lesson with you guys today. Before I get started, I want to make sure you saw last week's video. This was last week's standard. I can divide circles and rectangles into equal shares using the words halves, thirds, and fourths. If you didn't watch this video yet, go watch it first, because today we're doing part 2. Before we get to our standard today, let's talk about that thing, equal shares. When we're dividing our circles and our rectangles, we have to make sure that they're equal. I made some paper cookies. Don't they look delicious? If my brother and I wanted to split a cookie, would this be equal? No, I would not want this piece. That's not fair. That's not equal. What about this cookie? I already split it. Is that equal? Yes, those are more fair. When we split our rectangles and circles, we have to make sure that it's fair. Here's today's goal. I can describe a whole as 2 halves, 3 thirds, and 4 fourths. A whole could mean a whole circle, a whole rectangle, maybe even a whole cookie. And we're splitting it into halves, thirds, and fourths, just like last week. Let's start by drawing some. I'm going to draw some circles. If I draw this circle and split it in half, is that halves? No, it's not equal. Remember that we have to make them equal. Let me try again. Here's a circle. Is that halves? How many pieces are there? 2 equal pieces. So we call that 2 halves. Let's try thirds. How many pieces are in thirds? How many pieces does that mean? 3. 3 thirds. You could also do it with rectangles as long as there's 3 equal pieces. 3 thirds. And fourths. How many pieces? 4 fourths. Again, you can do that with rectangles too. Rectangles or squares. Rectangles or circles, my bad. So, I want you to try some. For number 1, we're going to draw a rectangle, and I want you to split it into 3 thirds. When I say pause the video, get a piece of paper, a pencil or marker, and try this on your own. When you're done, push play. Ready? Pause. Okay, you should have divided your rectangle into 3 thirds. That's 3 pieces. It could be 3 this way. It could be 3 equal pieces like this. Could your pieces go like this? Is that equal? Nope, not equal. Make sure that you have equal pieces. Let's try another. For number 2, we're going to draw a circle. And we're going to split it into 4 fourths. Are you ready? Pause. Okay, you should have split your circle. Did you split it like a window? Did you split it like an X? Hopefully one of those. If you split it like this, are these pieces equal? No, remember that they have to be the same size. Those aren't equal. Okay, this time I'm going to draw the shape, and I want you to write the number and the fraction word. So think about how many pieces there are. Here's your shape. Okay, pause and write. You should have written 2 halves because there's 2 equal pieces. 2 halves. Try one more, number 4. We're going to do a tall rectangle, and I'm going to split it like this. You write this part. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3 pieces, so that's 3 thirds. Okay, how about one last one really quick for number 5. Draw a rectangle, or you don't have to draw it, sorry. Here's your rectangle. You write the fraction words. Okay, you should have written 4 fourths. Whoops. Okay, thanks for learning with me today, guys. I had so much fun. Join me next week and we will learn some more. Bye! Miss you guys. Love you.